Today I'm reviewing the Geek and Gorgeous 101 Bee Balm. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, join my Patreon community, or click on the link below. And I just want to thank everyone for using the affiliate links. It makes a huge difference and really helps support the channel. So thank you guys. You guys are awesome. Okay, so getting to another Geek and Gorgeous product that I've been wanting to review for forever, since I just love this brand. So let's see, they say a light and hydrating 10% niacinamide, zinc PCA, and sarcosine formula to help combination skin related to problems such as enlarged pores, oiliness, and blemishes. And niacinamide is just great for your skin for almost every reason you use skincare products. And I'll talk about that more in a minute, but niacinamide's great. If you don't use niacinamide, highly recommend adding it into your routine. So, okay, my first criteria is packaging, and they use the dropper bottle. For some reason, these dropper bottles I don't mind as much. They're like riveted on the sides, so that they're easier to find. I don't know. Although I'm a little tired of dropper bottles, but it does help keep prices down because they're pretty affordable and mostly recyclable. So, okay, in terms of denatured drying alcohol, this does not contain any of those, and it's also fragrance-free and has no noticeable scent, which their entire brand is pretty much alcohol and fragrance-free, which is just so great for... It's just nice to have a brand where you can try anything from them and know it's going to be pretty suitable for sensitive skin. There's not a lot of brands out there like that. There's a handful of them, and this is one of them. The manufacturing location for this one is Hungary, so no issues with that. Ease of use, so they recommend applying a few drops to face after cleansing, but before using emulsions or creams. You can use it in the morning or evening. Personally, I like using it in the evening just because I try and keep my morning routine as simple as possible. But this one's got a really nice light texture to it. It's kind of got a light, almost liquidy gel texture. Just smooths over skin so easily, absorbs quickly. It plays well with every other product I've tried it with. Love it. They say you can use it on your own, or you can also add it to another product as a niacinamide booster. Don't add it to direct acids, such as exfoliant acids or vitamin C. They say it also mixes well with their hyaluronic serums. I found it plays well with other products. No issues with pilling. Nice light texture, absorbs quickly, feels nice and silky on the skin. Doesn't make skin feel greasy or weighted down at all. Just feels nice and light. And once it absorbs, it doesn't feel like you applied anything to your skin, which is so nice. Just really nice, wonderful light texture. So, okay. So, let's talk about the antioxidants and beneficial ingredients. So, this one has 10% niacinamide. Most research on niacinamide, that's published research, is usually done on percentage of about 4 to 5%. So anything around 4 to 5 to 10 at the upper side is about the most. There's several serums now with 20% niacinamide. There's really no research showing that 20% is twice as good as 10%. I mean, there's just nothing. And I found higher percentage like that just have a tendency to dry out your skin a bit more. Although some people have found 20% works great for them, so that's absolutely wonderful. But 10% is really the most what you need to use. So niacinamide is great for anti-aging. It helps with fine lines and wrinkles. It helps fade dark spots. It also increases ceramide synthesis. That helps your skin maintain its strong, healthy barrier, which is wonderful. It's also been known to be anti-acne. It helps with rosacea. It can also help with dermatitis. So niacinamide is a great ingredient. It's absolutely wonderful. It's one of the few ingredients out there that can do everything. Anti-aging, skin barrier repair, skin brightening. It does it all. So, it's amazing. Also has some anti-inflammatory properties some studies have showed, which is even better. So, certainly something worth adding into your routine if you don't have it. Okay, then we've got Sarcosine, which is a synthetic amino acid derivative that functions as a skin conditioning and also an oil control agent. It also may play a role in the penetration of other ingredients to help them penetrate further and work better. And also some research has shown that Sarcosine can help minimize UV exposure impact. So it's a good ingredient. You don't see it that often, but it's a good ingredient. Then we've got Zinc PCA, which the zinc part is there to help with slowing down oil production. So if you have very oily skin, it might be an ingredient worth checking out. It also can slow down acne-causing bacteria growth. So it can be a good ingredient, especially for acne-prone or oily skin. Then the PCA part of it stands for pyrrolidone carbolic acid, which is a molecule that helps with skin hydration and energy. It's a natural moisturizing factor, and they work together to keep skin hydrated and prevent acne and bacteria growth. So not a super long ingredient list, but we've got 3 amazing ingredients which are all there for a good purpose. Personally, I don't have very oily skin, and I still love that this serum has the good amount of niacinamide, amino acid in there, and I find it just works really nicely. So you can see it fully absorbed on my hand, and it just doesn't feel sticky. My hand suddenly looks 10 years younger, though. Look at it compared to my other hand. I don't know. Let me fix that. My other hand needs all the help it can get. There we go. It's a cold winter. Okay. So in terms of cruelty-free status, let me get ready for this list. It's cruelty-free, it's vegan, it's gluten-free, and it's fungal acne safe. So you've got the big ones. So a very nice list of free things. Pregnancy safe too. There we go. Okay, performance. Really help brighten my skin up. Helps with hydration, but it still feels gentle at the same time. This one's even gentle enough that I can use it on my neck, which typically gets very dry and sensitive. It's becoming, or has become, one of my favorite niacinamide serums to date. I've tried a lot of them. This one I love. It only has one acneogenic ingredient, which is barely acneogenic, which is butylene glycol. Okay, price. So this is a full size, which is 1 ounce or 30 milliliters, and retails for $10, which makes it a bargain. One bottle lasts about 2 to 3 months. So it's a very affordable option. I know some people will comment on the shipping. They're based in Hungary, which is expensive to ship from. Personally, I haven't found one product from the brand that I've disliked. So to get to that free shipping threshold, check this out. Check out their A-Pad serum. Check out their cleanser. Check out their toner. Check out their A-Game serums. It's all amazing. So you can't go wrong with anything from this brand, in my opinion. I'm hard to convince, so. Okay, then when it gets to the it factor, love it. Short, simple, yet highly effective formula. Fragrance-free, cruelty-free, fungal acne safe, very affordable. Great product from a great brand that hasn't disappointed me yet. And I'm a tough critic, so. With a 10 being a perfect score, I give this one a 10. Absolutely love this serum. Definite repurchase. Oh, their vitamin C serum great too. They're all great. So, anyway, those are my thoughts on the Geek and Gorgeous Niacinamide Serum. I'm interested in hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to check it out yet or not, and if you have, what your thoughts are. So, definitely leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much.